This is Lillebjørn. This is the small van we always wanted to build. Something about it just feels right the moment you step inside. Natural poplar ply walls surround you in light, airy warmth. The oak-topped ceiling hinges to become a raised bed. Real tile kitchen splashback with ash trim, designed and fitted seamlessly together. Not plastic, not mass-produced, not like the usual transporter conversions out there. Every cabinet and surface is crafted with furniture-grade precision. The same quality that's in our larger vans, just in a smaller format. A 50-litre fridge, double hob, black stainless sink with chopping board cover for when you need the extra worktop space. A real kitchen tap sits beside cupboards and drawers that give you proper storage throughout. The electrics run on Victron energy with a lithium battery and plenty of off-grid charging options, so you don't have to rely on plugging in. Everything is set up and working behind the scenes. A fitted sofa bed to make the space feel cozy and warm, pulling out to sleep when you need it, or choose a rock and roll bed to travel with extra people. Handmade blackout blinds with leather straps and a range of furniture fabrics so everything works perfectly together. We call it Lillebjørn, Little Bear, because that's exactly what it feels like. Cozy, compact, complete. You choose colours and finishes to make it yours, with beautiful design in a format that works for everyday life. This is what we do.